Back, I am Denise, and as you can see from the title today, I will be trying to help you buy your booty curving jeans from Fashion Nova. Try to alleviate a little bit of that anxiety, and that comes from online shopping, especially if you never bought certain things before, like jeans, swimwear, and things of that nature. But the key is you should know how to measure yourself and also read reviews. So today we're gonna do kind of like a measuring session slash try on, but these are jeans that I already have from Fashion Nova, but I will show the difference between those that say Fashion Nova and those that come from a different brand. So when you're measuring your hips, you want to go the widest part. I'm about a 43.5 as far as the hips. The waist should be a little bit above the belly button. So I know it's hard to see my belly button, so it's right at the top of my shorts. So I'm going to go up a little bit from my waist, and I'm right at like a 31. Woo. I need to lay off the snacks, but it's a work in progress, right? Everybody can't afford to get BBLs. I'm not saying that I would. I'm about 32 bucks, and I know it's for jeans, but in the event that you want to do top swimwear or like the bodysuits, but normally I do a 9 in jeans, a medium in pants, a medium in swimwear. Lately I've been noticing that their swimwear doesn't fit me in mediums anymore, so I don't know if they're cutting them smaller or yeah, they're just cutting them smaller. So I'm going to show you the difference between 3 pair of jeans. One is from Fashion Nova and the other one is from Fashion Nova, but it doesn't have their brand name in it, so I'm assuming it's from a different wholesaler. So I'll be right back. All right, so I am back, and I am in jeans now. No more booty shorts. So just to show, these are just the classic high waist. And I feel like everybody should have a pair of these, just because if you work in an environment where you have jeans day or dress casual day, you can wear these. And you know, most time when you wear jeans to work, you can't have any rips or anything in them. So these are a nice pair of jeans to have all around. They're not like a thick material, they're more of a jegging material. And as you can see, you know, booty look pretty good with me. It's probably time for a new pair. I have these forever, so they cuff your booty real nicely. So these are definitely a good pair. I feel like anybody would have butt in these jeans. They wash really well. I've washed them a couple of times. They haven't really shrunk, you know. And so that's the actual Fashion Nova pair. So let me switch over. Now let me see. This one says Celebrity Pink. I have seen these before. Just a typical juniors brand, I think. So I'm gonna try these on and see if we can tell a difference between the Fashion Nova brand and another brand for their jeans. So back. Okay, so we have the Celebrity Pink. I've only worn these like twice, and it's only because they're so tight. They aren't as stretchy as the Fashion Nova ones, and I don't feel like they make my butt look as good. It's super tight. But I like the designs on them. They have the stressing on them and things like that. Kind of cut into my stomach a little bit. Like I said, I haven't worn these a lot, therefore I haven't washed them a lot either. So yeah, I can kind of tell the difference as far as the comfortability. Y'all know what I mean. And the way they fit. So these aren't as high waist either. So I do typically like a little high waist, just because I am trying to get this waist snatch. So sometimes it does help me cover up my little waist situation. So I'm gonna try on the last pair, and it's from a different brand. Let's see here. This one is Sneak Peek. Never heard of these before. These are probably my least favorite pair of jeans I've ever got from Fashion Nova. Probably worn these once. Probably won't ever wear them again, but I'll try them on and let you guys see how they look, and then we can wrap it up. A last pair in my video. See these in theory, because I feel like I buy all the same basic stuff, because I thought I liked the little distressing and everything, but I don't like the way these fit. And after a while they start to, you know how like your butt starts to sag in your jeans? Definitely don't like that. But they are cute in theory, but really not something that I would purchase. So I typically try to stay with the Fashion Nova brand. I know sometimes it's hard to know the difference, but I think the more distressed they are, sometimes you can kind of tell that they come from a wholesaler. Fashion Nova jeans tend to be a lot more fitted. If they have any type of distress in it, it may have like a rip, maybe two, but that's about it. But always read the reviews, because they will say, someone will say these are not Fashion Nova, it has a different brand, just to know what kind of works for you. Get you a good couple of pair, you can kind of gauge from there. So if you have any other questions, I feel like I covered everything. Yeah, if you have any other questions, concerns, comments, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and you guys have a great day. Bye.